Normally, someone has to open the invoice and retype everything by hand. Every invoice arrives in the email body or as attachment like here. Everything is read and entered in seconds. That's where the time is saved. Everything is read and entered in seconds. That's where the time is saved. The invoice content is pasted into a spreadsheet without a single manual entry. The invoice amount differs from the purchase order, so we don't pay, we check with the supplier. An unknown supplier or a different amount rejected, set aside for review. The same system also handles the invoices sent to clients. In this example, 50% on signing, 50% within 15 days after delivery. The invoice is issued after the agreement. The 50% deposit is marked paid. A copy of the invoice goes to the client with the 50% deposit marked paid. Deposit paid, $225 balance to come. An invoice will be sent automatically on the due date. Manual data entry largely disappears on the supplier side and the client side. A Quebec study confirms it. Nearly 20% more productivity for small SMBs that automate. Document and invoice management is part of the administrative function, the most automated area in the service sector. On a typical volume, several hours per month, an estimate to be measured on your numbers. Tell me the tasks you delegate first. We have a solution for your business.